Hello and welcome to this chai o'clock, 4 o'clock live that we have for you. And of course, something very special today, which is our Black Florence, which is back and now available after a really long time. I think it was available sometime last year, and then it's been sold out for a really long time. And this is what we have back for you today. So we're going to be showing you, of course, the Black Florence, which is what I'm also wearing. Now this silhouette is meant to be a same on same. Now you can see that, like, it's a really nice dressy. We've also just pinned the video, the style video. The picture is already there. The style video is also, kind of been pinned. We'll pin it up where you can see the full look. Launched last summer's, last year's bestseller. Launched in Florence, of course. So this is a same on same look. So if you're going to go for a kind of an A-line silhouette, you're going to be needing 6 meters, and this is 6,800 per meter. Now the other option, of course, what you can do is you can go for a plain bottom, 3-meter kurta and a plain bottom. So that's also possible. I'm going to be showing you the colors that are available apart from the black. And yes, it's a beautiful collection that you can really be wearing just about anywhere. आप इसको dress up करें, आप इसको you can really wear it very formally by adding a light dupatta. Because why I say light, all you really do need is a complete like the dupatta to just complete it, because when you're wearing this you want the focus to be on this. Okay, so this is one color. I think it's enough for a kurta, so you're going to be going for a black a plain bottom in Chanderi cotton, Agaf Chanderi cotton. This is the black, which of course I will now be showing to you, which is like, yes, like just like this. I'm going to just show you. It's just fresh off the loom and it's now available, ready to ship out. This is 6,800 per meter. The beauty of this entire look is, of course, in the detailing, in the fabric, and because it's just flawless. The fabric to wear, to enjoy, it's absolutely amazing. You can see the softness. It wraps itself around you. And as I was saying, you can really dress it up. I love this lemony yellow. This is also one of her newest colors, but yes, only very little left of it. But yes, it is one of her newest colors, and you can see. Now you do have to use a color perfect lining to it, so that you just can kind of maintain the beauty of the look without really going away from the color of the base. So there you see, there this is. And the other and the only other color option available is a Rani pink. Jewel it up, wear it in a more a standalone look where you just focus on a beautiful nice kurta and a bottom, and it works both ways. Okay, now we just put up a short video this morning, and this live is really going to be very short and sweet, about 20 minutes or so, where we do have all of these lovely pieces that we kind of want to show you right away. And yesterday, of course, we did the linen checks, a brand new look launched, and yes, colors available, so you can check that out. We did a live where we also showed you some silk, some real zari pieces, all of that in yesterday's live. Now this one is going to be about pieces that you can get as a complete look. Florence, of course, by the meter. Now look at that. That's a newest Sona Rupa Karwa pure cotton suit set, and it's beautiful. In fact, this piece, this exact piece that I'm holding, was the first piece that we made. And so this one comes with a plain Chanderi cotton, the Gaf Chanderi bottom. So that's what's going to come. Or iska jo, because a lot of times when we do our sampling, we don't make the bottoms, because I'll tell you this, okay, that's a secret, that the costing of making a plain bottom on the loom is extremely high, okay, which is why in our samplings we do not do that. This is one of the beautiful sample pieces, and when this came along, I said that we have to kind of really got to make this as an entire collection, and therefore we did bring out the new color. Just my bottom bhi hai, so this lavender one will be slightly price wise thoda sa lesser hoga. Another pure cotton suit, and it's beautiful with this karwa weave, and I'm going to show it to you like this. There you go, you can see it. It's absolutely wonderful. especially something that you can wear light kabhi bhi, kahin bhi kabhi bhi ye pehne ja sakte hain. Even in this, this bottom has been made on the loom, and there you go, you can see the final piece right here. So there you go, that's the full suit. It's kind of a shade of a gray. It's very pretty with this bigger motif. I think it looks fantastic. Okay, going back to this piece that I was just showing you, we put up a video since morning, and in fact इसी के वजह से I think हमने ये like किया that everybody said, oh, has it been shown in the live anytime, because we really do want to see it open, and we really want to know what it is all about. It is the most fabulous fabric that you will see. Look at that, look at the sheen, it's just amazing. This is pure cotton, the finest, you can see that. And now there you go, that's the bottom. So once we are sure that we want to make this into a collection, then we make the bottom. Now you can see the bottom right there, it's beautiful, all of this in Karwa. And finally the ultra light dupatta. Now this is a no tassel look, but in case you want to add tassels, sure, there's no extra price for that. And these are absolutely amazing. These come in the range of 44,800. And look at the beauty, look at the weave. Ye pura jo look hai, you can see it right there. This gorgeous sheen and this gorgeous look. Okay, of course there's that natural fluff to the fabric because it is pure cotton, but you know how cotton is, it can be as soft and as close to your body as you would like, or you can kind of make it. Now जब ये finishing के बाद आता है तो ये beautiful fluff रहता है, and the moment you wear it or you stitch it or you just do a steam iron, it will just close, fall very close to your body. So that's the beauty of it. So that's this hot pink color that we have for you. Now from that, I do have one entire new collection of the 26,800 that I will come to. But before that, what I do want to show you are some absolutely beautiful Katan silk suits, because I see that many of you, I mean, and especially I think outside India at this moment, kind of wanting to buy silk, because I think it makes so much sense that you're going to be here in the next month or the next month, and of course foreign occasions, and you want to get your pieces ready before you get here. And I've been saying this for years. I think that's the smartest way, because when you're here, the time is always to enjoy and have fun with your family, friends, and of course all of that local shopping that you want to do. But your big stuff, okay, when you have it sorted and when you have all of these gorgeous pieces ready for you to wear, uska ek maza hi alag hai. So yes, these are available for worldwide shipping, but agar aap chahe to apne friends and boutiques and you can tailors and you can send it out to your family members. Now this is a complete two-tone, and look at the gorgeous color. This is a pink by orange, and that's the border. This is all Katan silk, okay, and in Karwa, and with just that touch of Meena. And what I do have for you are the entire looks right here, okay. Yeah, keep them coming, keep them coming. Keep the next piece here, and now there you go. That's the bottom. Ab ye dekhiye, that's the bottom, that's the kurta. And I'll just show you this whole piece. This is beautiful. It's a wonderful red. So if you're looking for something, now I think it's such beautiful light today. It's kind of there, and it's just giving you these right shades, all in Karwa. One wonderful piece there for you. All of these ready to ship out. Okay, so the sleeve is there for this one separately. Yeah, some of them have it, and there are, I think, 2 more colors to this. Look at that gorgeous noise that it makes. Only the best of the silk can do that. Okay, we are based in Mumbai, we are based in Powai, and somebody is asking where is our studio. Our studio is in Powai. Okay, for more details you can always ask us and we'll let you know the details. Now this is the back side of it. This is the back boota. I'm just showing it to you. So आप just WhatsApp पे drop करेंगे details so you can get it. We are here Monday to Saturday 9 to 6. And you can walk in any time. But if you're planning to walk in any time after, probably a week or so, just check on us where we are, because we are in the process of moving our things around. So yes, just a heads up. Otherwise, we're always here, and yes, here you go. Now look at that beautiful color, very, very, deep in a good way and a dressy way. And I just find Katan silk suits so convenient. They're like your full complete look. कुछ चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है मैं क्या मैच करूँ, क्या कैसे करूँ, That's the bottom. That's also done ready. Because, you know, that's always the comfort when you buy a suit set. There is no thinking involved. In fact, आप अगर fabric भी हमसे कह देंगे, there's no thinking involved. I'll tell you why. When you get this look, I'm wearing the black Florence, which is now in stock, okay? The black Florence is great as a same on same. In that case, you're going to go for 6 meters for this kind of a silhouette, or 5 meters if you want it straight. If you want like a plain bottom, done, we will do it for you. If you want a light dupatta, we'll do a kota silk dupatta, because that's honestly what it needs, okay? Usse zyada kuch bhi nahi chahiye. So, agar ye hai, you know, you should put down the dress on Facebook, okay? So, if that's what you need, then they're also very easy. And suit sets, because it's like, and you don't have to visualize it, this Florence ka full look, we have pinned it down in the style video on Instagram. And look at that, now you can see this entire beautiful color right here also, and one more color, that's it. Or as I had said, today's live is really short, okay? That's our dress. We've just pinned it down for you to be able to see. We are always here, okay? And this is the final color of this suit set. Let me just show you the dupatta, all made in Kara with just a touch of Meena. This is a beautiful pink as well. And there you go, your complete suit set for you to kind of enjoy. Wear it now, wear it next month, get it now and get it stitched, and make sure you have it. Or Katan silk suits mein, honestly, you know, you want to like fit it, just like put a zipper, go all like close neck, long sleeves, churidar, very sleek pants, and that's it. And then you wear a lot of jewelry, you don't wear any jewelry, you know, you really can take your pick, but that's all that you need when you're styling these, okay? That's it. From that, we're going to go on to, you know, the next part, which is, very happy to say, which is our new cotton suits, premium cotton suits, okay? And we have a complete new palette with slight, you know, of course, additions that we have also done, because each time we kind of want, because I know that many of you say, I like the style, I want one more piece. Okay, many of you have many of the same collection, because I get it, you love something, you want more, sure. So what we're doing, we always keep doing some tweaks so that, you know, it's easier for you to have some variations, but at the same time from the same collection. Now look at that, that's such a rich chocolate brown color, and you'll see the small buttas, okay? These buttas, very pretty. It looks like the neem butta. It's not the neem butta with the detailing, but yes, of course, many of our collections will have this touch. And then you see this. But now what you also see is that, okay, let me just show it to you. The bottom again has been woven, even in this 26,800 wala piece, on the loom, which makes it perfect. So premium cotton, light gold zari, this jal design. Okay, now I'm going to open it and show it to you. So look at that. Here it is. This very. So I'm going to show you a combination of dark and light colors. I have 3 more colors for you. Now look at that. The softness of the fabric. This is the design, and there you go. And so you can go for the lighter colors. You can go for this one. Here it is. ये इसका bottom है. And okay, so ये देखिए, the earlier one that I showed you, the brown, it's again a loom bottom. This one is plain. Okay, so these are for 24,800, and the ones with the bottom on the loom, bottom सब में है, इसमें plain होगा without border. This will be 24,800, that will be 26,800, okay? So that's the difference again, yes. Oh, look at that. What a wonderful shade. I love this, okay? I know many of you will say, yeah, anything pink comes, then, you know, I have this extra exclamation. Yeah, I think that's true, you know. Guilty of that. But yeah, I think it's a very pretty one. You know, I don't actually honestly wear so much pink, but I just love the idea of something fresh. So, you know, even on a yellow, I love a yellow, and whites and pinks and whites, and, you know, like complementing all of these colors with them. So, I mean, that's the whole joy, okay? So, anyways, now look at that. That's a beautiful color. The flower has just that one touch, again, on the loom, the bottom. And this is also for, of course, 26,800, the full 3-piece set. And yeah, they are wonderful to dress in. You know, oh, what a rich color. I love this color, especially when you're in the mood for comfort and style and you want to wear something formal, but you don't want to go all silk. Okay, so we've got the silks. We just showed you the silks. They're amazing, they're beautiful, but at the same time, when you want to wear something really light and lovely, look at that. There's also that just that touch of red in the buta, which makes all the difference, you know, in the beauty, and you can really elevate it, and you can wear a red something, touch earrings, and it looks really cool. Look at that. Iska bhi ye hai. This is the whole set, and very soft cotton. It's also premium cotton. So yes, this premium cotton is a category, and I cannot say it enough, that agar aap sochte aaye hain that you know you want to buy something, you want to buy something gorgeous from us, then this is a great first starter piece जो आप try कर सकते हैं. Cash on delivery पूरे इंडिया में available है via the service of Blue Dart, of course. So, and you must avail it. Now look at that. That's a hot red, hot one. The last time we had reds, I think they went out before we could say wow. Because I think, you know, when you are, I mean, you want to wear red, okay? You do want to wear red, but a lot of times you don't want it to kind of overwhelm you. And I think that one must wear colors and reds, especially as much as one can, because, you know, there's no age is no bar, nothing is a bar, you know, just wear what your heart wants. I mean, it could be any color, but if red's what you like, I know a few of my clients, I think over the years, they've had all shades of reds in all possible combinations of fabrics and looks and dupattas, and I love that you know they've kind of picked up a cotton or silks, and they've done georgettes, and they've done all shades and mix match and ombre, everything, because I think it's a color that you must truly enjoy and love and wear. Okay, look at that. I think it looks beautiful on us and all of us. I mean, you know, as in you know, all us South Asians, I think we carry color so well. You know, so well. I mean, there's no like how you can't benchmark how well we carry colors. Okay, so we must. Anyways, now coming from that to very quickly, I'm going to be doing this is the knee buta, and we are almost at the flagging end of the live. We are almost at the end. So there you go. This is 5,800 knee buta. But what I'm also going to be doing is I'm doing combinations, and we're doing like this contrast to like another level. Okay, of course, just to show you both the colors. But what we also think is that you can, of course, this is a knee buta and very classic colors together. You can, of course, you know, like dye the same color, the dupatta. This is a Georgette dupatta, 24,800. This is the fabric, 5,800. Beautiful as sets. But you can also most definitely, you know, kind of dye them in the exact, oh, look at that. I'm going to show you a very hot one, okay? So there you go. This with this orange, and it's like, oh my god, too much fire. Okay, like this one is, just look at it, how brilliant it is. Okay, look at that. There you go. So yeah, that whole look, and we are going to make it, so you're going to do same on same, and then you're going to do this dupatta, and it's going to look really brilliant. You can of course do a same on same whole color, but we just wanted to show you how beautifully the color comes. जो next combination में उसमें of course आपको same on same दिखा रही हूँ, and with these, many of these you can just go for plain silk bottom, that also does well. Look at that, very elegant. So this one is really elegant. Our karwa dupatta and this buta and plain silk bottom, it looks great. The next up is this, okay, which is this brilliant red. Okay, and you can see this, it's brilliant. When you just hear that noise, you know it's perfection. And iske saath, in fact, we have done a silk on silk. I mean, I'm going to now show you. Can I also have the red dupatta? I think it's there somewhere. So, okay, I'm going to do this, which is silk on silk, and look at how perfect it looks together. It looks really good. So you can see the whole look there, where it is silk on silk, okay? That like this. And then I'm going to bring this fabric back and then show you that you can also do Georgette dupatta in it, okay? Both, of course, monogram, but how beautiful they look. Look at that, it's a perfect look. You can do this, or you can do this dupatta. Both the price for the katan and the Georgette is the same, so you can do either of the two, and I think it looks stunning. So that's a great way of wearing it. And then we also wanted to, of course, show you This color, this is like a Florence. This was our signature color. It's the last, I think, piece available, and it's a beautiful, this one. ये ऐसा कलर है जिसपे आप कुछ भी पहन ले, कभी भी पहन ले, and it looks good. Now look at how elegant this one looks. It looks lovely with the red dupatta, and it will also look lovely with a pink dupatta. That's my promise. Look at that. It looks stunning. Okay, so therefore it was one of our signature look for a reason. We made a lot of it over the year. I think 1.5 years or 2 years back we launched it. We have made a lot of it. We've sold a lot of it. This is the last one. We are, of course, in the process of, we may change the color. Now, you know, we're not making that anymore. So yes, that's a chance to get it because it's just stunning. And then you can see, oh, this, which is again like perfection, same on same, which you can do with any of these, but bahut sundar hai ye, full look together. There you can see it. There you go. That's it. Okay, so I'm also showing you this. For the last one, what I've done is that we have done another silk dupatta with it. These fabrics have been designed that you can wear the most elaborate dupattas, the most simple ones, or just wear it as a standalone piece. Kaise bhi aap pehne is going to look stunning. So thank you so much. This is beautiful as a look. I love it, the brightness of it, the sheen, the perfect combination. The latest color that we have, of course, is this, and it's gorgeous to another level. It's this deep blood red, not blood red, I think it's a red. Okay, let me figure out why kya exact color. It's like, you know, that I'm just trying to find the right word. Give me a moment, I will tell you. You know, that whole metallic, huh? Yeah, I mean, it's not rust. It's an incredible color, okay? Maroonish. We're still figuring out, okay, what. I'll tell you why it's so tough, okay? That's the interesting thing. I'll tell you why what we do, which is what makes it so complicated to do a single color description. Brick red, not really, metallic red, or, you know, something like a bloody orange. Bloody Mary. Like a Bloody Mary, okay? A little more. So anyways, I'll tell you what we do. We use 2 shades of red in the warp and the weft, and we make this unique shape, which is why it is so complicated and it's so beautiful and it's so lovely to kind of wear this, okay? And what you need to do is to wear it same on same. So that's the joy, because of course मैं dye करा सकती हूँ a plain bottom, but when you wear this, that is why our colors are, somebody said crimson red. Yeah, sure, I think that's closer. Ketchup red, okay. Tomato red, okay, lovely. I love the fact. Please throw around what you think of this color. I agree with all of you. And it could be anything. I think scarlet, okay, somebody said scarlet, okay, sure. That's amazing. So yeah, it's a great thing, you know. So yeah, this, but what I can tell you, जैसा ये दिख रहा है, ये जो light आ रही है, exactly ऐसा ही है. It is as rich and as beautiful as it can be, okay? So that much I can tell you. Do write in what you think is this red color, okay? Even after I posted it, do put in your colors. I would love to know, okay? I'm learning every day. So yeah, it's always great. Now with this one, what I wanted to show you is this is a beautiful ombre, okay? This one is 21,800. It's a lovely ombre with this just brown and light cream, and it starts like that. It's a cherry red, okay? Yes, absolutely. I'm going to see, because color ki story ye hai, somebody said again tomato red, okay? So color ki story ye hai that it can be a color that, you know, I mean, each of us, I mean, it's biologically so that we see it differently, and that's why I always like to say that it's just this color that you're seeing. Now a neutral dupatta like this would also be so lovely to kind of wear on it. Now you can see that it's a beautiful, amazing dupatta with tassels which are like finished. Look at that, here it is. And yeah, so you could be doing this, you could be doing the knee boot and the same colors. They'll all look amazing. The last bit of this live, and it's these fabrics. These are our premium cotton fabrics in, of course, cut work, and you know, this is where it starts, like the range 3,800 per meter. Now with this, I think what's amazing is that it looks brilliant with tissue dupatta. Okay, so you can do a chanderi dupatta 5800 wala, you can do that, or you can go, I think it's very pretty, okay, this whole color, or you could go for a tissue dupatta 8800 or a chanderi dupatta which is 5800. They come with gold tassels, both of them, and I think बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. Now when you're looking for a same on same, थोड़ा कुछ light but you know very pretty, do a kurta, do a like a ghera pants, and then you know you can do this. With this one, you can even do a black dupatta, okay? So I'm going to show you this. You can even do a black dupatta, but तीनों में ही वैसे मैं बताऊं तो gold tissue दुपट्टा बहुत सुंदर लगता है, और you do a chanderi cotton 5800 वाला in the base color, and you'll be set. Okay, that's all from us today. We just thought it's a very short live, as I said. Of course, I'm just saying and showing that Florence is back after a really long time in black and some other colors, जिससे हमने live शुरू किया था. So make sure that you have placed your order now. That's always the thing, okay? Place it now on WhatsApp, screenshot leke, just come on our chats, place your order, no more details. Cash on delivery, worldwide shipping, all of that is available, okay? So have a great one. I love this time, but you know, of course, when you're doing big lives, it's usually easier to do it in the morning because then we can give you all details. But having said that, we have everything ready for you, you know, whenever you come on our chats. Thank you, and have a great one.